In this video, I will show you how to fix ASUS Keyboard Backlight not working. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your ASUS device. And the first method to resolve this problem is to restart your laptop. So head over into the Windows Start menu and then click on the power button and then click on Restart. Now, if you restart it and it doesn't work, you can go ahead and try the next method. And that will require you to use the keyboard shortcut. So press Fn plus F3 to decrease the brightness and Fn plus F4 to increase the brightness. On some models, it may be Fn plus F7 or F8 depending on your laptop. And the last method that you can use to resolve the problem is to check ASUS Keyboard Hotkeys driver on the ASUS support website. So in here, head over into the download center and then search for your laptop model. So download and install the latest ATK package or ASUS System Control Interface version 3 or version 2 depending on the model available to you. And that's basically how you can fix ASUS Keyboard Backlight not working. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos.